Building an app used to require coding skills, long learning, and expensive developers. But now, with artificial intelligence and no code platforms, anyone can create apps without writing code. One tool that many people are talking about is Base44, a no coding AI app builder that promises to help you build real mobile and web apps quickly and easily. In this video, I will review Base44 in a simple way so you can understand how it works, what it can do, and whether it is really one of the best no-code AI app builders for your needs or not. Base44 uses artificial intelligence to keep your idea and turn it into a working app structure. You just describe what you want, and the AI help you to generate screen, logic, and database and connections automatically. This can save huge time compared to traditional app building. But as with all tools, there are strengths and limitations also, and in this review I will cover both sides so you can get a clear picture before trying it yourself. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find tools that save time, money, and frustration. In today's video, we are reviewing the Base44, a no-code AI app builder that many creators and entrepreneurs are curious about. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to try Base44 yourself. By using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's understand what Base44 really does. Base44 helps you to build apps using artificial intelligence and no coding. Instead of writing the manual codes, you simply give the idea and you can also say the features that you want and the screen and the needs. Then the AI generates a working app prototype including screen, forms, menus, database setup, and some logic flows. Once the base is ready, you can customize the colors, layout, and specific behavior to match what you want. One of the first things that many users notice about Base44 is how fast it can turn an idea into a usable app. What might take days or weeks with traditional tools that can sometimes be created in hours inside Base44. This makes it very interesting for entrepreneurs and designers and even the beginners who don't know how to code but want to launch an app or test an idea. Another strong point of Base44 is that it gives you the flexibility and control after the AI builds the app. You can go into the editor and you can just click on visual edit and now you can customize or you can edit the elements. This gives you a balance between AI assistant and the human customization, which may users find helpful because they don't feel locked into a preset design. However, there are some things you should know before jumping in. First, while Base44 does a great job generating the initial app structures, it might not always produce perfect logic for every complex task, especially if your idea involves many advanced features. In those cases, you may still need to adjust things manually or export the app to refine it further. So it is not a complete replacement for coding when you want very deep custom features, but it gets you most of the way there without coding. Another thing that users talk about the learning curve. Although Base44 is easier than coding, but still it requires understanding some basic interface elements, logic flows, and data relations. Now, for complete beginners who never used an app builder before, there might be a little learning step. But most people find that after a short time working inside the platform, things start to make sense. Now let's talk about the pricing. Base44 usually offers a free trial or starter plan, so you can test the ideas or you can start the using tools without paying. This is great because you can try building one app and see how it can feel before spending money. The paid plan gives you more of the app project, more export options, and advanced features. The cost depends on how many apps you want to build and what level of control you need. If you plan to build multiple apps for business or clients, investing in a paid plan can make sense because you get the access to more generation credits and priority the support. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand better the Base44 now, and if this video helped you to understand then give this video like and share it with someone who want to build apps, and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.